Hey everyone, I've got the perfect spooky Halloween craft that uses old Victorian photos. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need: a paper trimmer, a craft knife, double stick tape, a clear glass vase or jar, and these free printables from my site. And I printed them on vellum paper. These Halloween candles are budget friendly, simple, and they look amazing. After printing, use your craft knife to carve out the areas that you want to illuminate. I had a hard time getting the eyes perfect, but it didn't matter in the end. It still looked great. Add double sticky tape down one side of your printable. You're going to stick the tape on your vase, wrap the printable around, and attach the other end to the tape. If your jar or vase is too big, that's okay. Just use regular tape and tape it down. They even look good in the daylight, but wait. They look fantastic at night. You can grab your free printables from today's Creative Life. I'd love to see it when you're finished.